Let's check the Ag Barometer. Joining us now is Fred Seamon. He is the Director of Research at CME Group, taking a specific look at agriculture over there. So thanks so much for coming on the show today.
Thanks for having me.
So your latest barometer shows a bit of a downward move. Let's dig into the details. Why do you think that's happening?
Yeah, the barometer was down slightly, but the barometer is made up of two things. A index of current conditions and an index of expectations for the future. And it was a drop in that expectations for the future that caused the entire barometer to go down.
And farmers are actually feeling stressed about the future. Why is that?
They are, and this is what I thought was very interesting in this report, was the fact that over 60% of farmers said they're very confident about agricultural exports going forward.
Okay.
So you'd think that would provide some support for expectations.
They would be selling their goods overseas, so that would be positive.
Right, but at the same time, over 50% said they had concerns about the future of their farm.
Uh-oh.
So I thought a little bit maybe uncertainty with respect to that, that growth in exports.
Right. Talk about, what did you ask them that made this commentary come out that they were concerned about?
It was two specific questions. One was basis, what do you expect exports to be? But there was also some questions around the financial viability of farms, and that's where we saw some pessimism, and such that based on the answers of those questions, the researchers at Purdue University were able to determine that farms could be in serious financial difficulty.
Why is that?
I think low commodity prices, first and foremost. What we need probably more than anything is a little bit of good news on the commodity pricing front. But there are some things. We've seen a very robust hog market of late, given some of the issues in China. And certainly if they do finally work out this trade issue, it could be very good for farmers as well. So it would be nice to have some good news.
It would be. Did the farmers talk specifically about the trade war? Is this becoming sort of a weary point for them?
I think it's becoming a weary point because they've been told multiple times, that expectations are that this is going to be positive, but we haven't quite gotten to that final positive word. So I think farmers are anxious to get a final settlement on agricultural exports.
Oh, I think farmers and traders.
Traders for sure.
For sure. Fred, great to have you here. We'll see you next month.
Okay,
thanks for the update.
Okay, you're welcome.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.